This here is the beautiful city of Florence, a city in Italy that was at the heart of the Italian Renaissance. Right in the center of the city, you can find the majestic Duomo. It's so majestic, in fact, that this time-lapse doesn't do it justice. I remember asking myself, how on earth can I get a better shot of this? From the surrounding hills, a friend tells me that Leonardo da Vinci used to test his flying machine here, hoping to fly over the city. This gave me an idea. And so, I was finally rewarded with the shots I wanted. And that brings us back here, where once again I'm asking myself, how on earth can I get a better shot of this?